Hello everyone, so tonight I'm staying at the Moxy in London Heathrow Airport. I've been given room 4037 on the 4th floor, so let's go ahead and get the room tour started. Floor plan. An art piece with the place to hang your clothes and whatnot. A mirror. So apparently the hotel is running this free tattoo thing. I'm not too sure whether it's a permanent one or a temporary one, but guess no harm taking a look later. But behind this is the bathroom with the toilet, sink, mirror, hello, and the shower area. Power outlet and light switches. More light switches by the door. Climate control panel. The bed. Armchair. Bedside table. Lights. Flat screen Samsung TV. Desk area. Chair. Again, more sort of like information regarding the tattoo thing. That's the welcome drink, and that is an old school telephone, or rather a new telephone which looks old school. More tattoo stuff. And the view that I get out of the window, sorry that you can't see it very well, but it's sort of like the courtyard below together with the other part of the hotel. And there is part of the main road just right there. Okay, so that's it for the room tour of room 4037 at Moxy London Heathrow. Thanks for watching and goodbye.